Welcome to our channel, and in this video you will learn about the Astro Baby NFT project and their newly launched NFT collection, Astro Baby PUPs. First, please notice the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Now let's dive right into the Astro Babies NFT collection. We will talk about the Astro Casino, the Astro Gallery, both things which I think are pretty exciting. And apart from that, and the most exciting thing I think, is their new NFT collection, the Astro Baby PUPs collection. And the Astro Baby PUPs are actually mintable right now on their website, astrobabies.io. You can click here, mint, or right here, which will take you to mint.astrobabies.io, and right now you can mint your Astro Baby PUPs for 2.5 Sol. And before considering whether you want to mint a new Astro Baby PUP or not, I think I should tell you that the Astro Babies NFT project has already sold out 2 full NFT collections before this. Alright, now I wanted to talk a little bit about the Astro Gallery, something I think is going to be very exciting for the Astro Babies project, and the Astro Gallery is actually about to be audited in a couple of weeks, which I think is pretty exciting. But first let's talk a little bit about the Astro Gallery. So Astro NFTs bring a first of its kind virtual reality experience, hosted on the planet Solana in the form of an NFT gallery, the Astro Gallery. And this gallery is created not only with trading and auctions in mind, but also with the realization that Astro NFTs have to satisfy their social needs to come together in an interactive gallery, and that is what the Astro Gallery will be. And once again, I do want to mention that all the links you will need for this video will be down in the description. Apart from that, and after that, something else which I think is pretty exciting, and we will talk about that very quickly, is the Astro Casino, which will be the first ever land crypto casino. You heard me right, it will be physical, it will be on land, and this will come in the future in El Salvador for you to visit. Apart from that, I got some pretty exciting news about the Astro Baby PUPs NFT collection, which is a giveaway. Right now they have a VIP exclusive trip giveaway for 5 people, and every Astro Baby PUP minted is actually a lottery ticket to enter the giveaway. And this trip, which we talk about, this giveaway, I think it's pretty exciting because the trip includes a fully paid flights, round trip, transportation taken care of, hotel and food expenses covered, a VIP Astro Clubhouse party, yes, you heard me right, and an excursion to the volcano and a tour to El Salvador's top attractions. So I would definitely consider minting that Astro Baby PUP. And they will announce the winners after the mint is out. And a little bit more about this VIP Astro Clubhouse party which you will have, because I think that's pretty exciting too. The Astro Clubhouse official opening party was on Thursday, June the 9th. And this will be the portal hub where Bitcoin, crypto and NFT people can connect, and they can actually use the space for conferences and lively events in the future. And this Astro Club will also have a membership, or an NFT membership, and this will come in different packages, so customized for VIP experiences. So it will be from $3,000 to $5,000 annually with a monthly maintenance fee. And as of right now, the Astro Babies NFT collection and everything around it is doing a lot of things to actually create this Astro Clubhouse and the whole experience around it. For example, they have the Astro Security right now, which is being established. And this will be the official company who monitors these types of events, which I talked about, which it will serve that purpose as well. And it will be available to contact to external entities who wish to use the service. Apart from that, they've also started Astro Babies Aviation, which will be the Sky Uber service, where maximalists and investors will be able to use this service to actually fly privately for events such as this one. Apart from the Astro Clubhouse, which I think is really exciting already for the Astro Babies NFT collection, but in general for the whole NFT ecosystem too. Apart from that, they also have land ready to go in La Union, and that's called Bitcoin City also in El Salvador. They have that set up with the landowner as well as his partnership with them for a percentage that stays with the Astro Babies holdings, where 33% of the land goes to the holders of the Astro Babies NFT collection. And something I wanted to keep for a little bit later in the video, but it's really exciting as well. As of right now, they have staking rewards available for the holders of the NFTs from the Astro Babies NFTs collections, where 11,000 plus NFTs are already being staked to earn ABB tokens, and that is the token from the Astro Babies NFTs collections. Of the ABB token, which will have its IDO in the coming months, only 3% of the total circulating supply is available on secondary markets to be swept. And a little bit more about the Astro token, or the ABB token. The Astro token will be used as a reward system for Astro Babies holders when participating in various games. So as the Astro Club metaverse currency of choice, expect benefits for holding, including, but definitely not limited to, weekly raffles, giveaways, rebates for market participants, dividends for future implementations to shareholders, and way more. So basically the whole ecosystem will be based around ABB. And apart from all we talked about, much more is to come for Astro Babies, and they themselves. And they will be the biggest NFT project known in crypto space. And apart from that, they have been covered in media and in interviews multiple times. For example, by Monica Taher, who sat down with the Salvadoran press and helped explain the impact of Astro Babies have made in the latest constitution they will be working on with the Salvadoran government. Apart from that, the artist behind the NFT collections also sat down with the press explaining the impact Astro Babies is making in regards to exposure for Salvadoran artists through the platform. And the Astro Babies founders themselves sat with the press explaining the real life utility that they are creating for the NFT space. So with that, we have reached the end of this video, and I do want to add that all the links you will need about Astro Babies, about the giveaway, about the casino, the gallery, staking, but also minting the new Astro Baby pups will be down in the description. We've talked about the Astro Babies NFT collections, we've talked about their new NFT collection, the Astro Baby pups, we've talked about the Astro Casino, about the Astro Clubhouse and the huge giveaway they're doing. And apart from that, we've also talked about the Astro Gallery, which is coming very soon. So thank you again for watching this video. And if you found the video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.